Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the pickup rollers, paper feed rollers on Lexmark Mx317 model. These are the two rollers we need to replace. I have bought new ones. With a small screwdriver we have to unscrew the two screws on the both sides of the rollers. Here is the first, and on the other side. And on the other side. Now let's take the new ones and place it on the both sides. The first, and the second. Screw back the screws on the both sides. And we are done. And that's it. We have a new paper feed rollers. Thank you very much. Good luck.